team of Andre Law and the Law Lawrence Montello. They are the Law of War.
Why are y'all so quiet? This is wrestling. Y'all are here for a wrestling show. No, that's all right. Uber's the thing, you know. Mike. Or, you know, a silver wife, one of the two.
Hello everyone, how's Victoria doing tonight? I asked already. Aside from the fact that he's drunk. Alright. Good to hear you guys, good to hear you guys. Hey, we are the Laws of Wrestling. I am the Law, Lawrence Montello. This is Andre Law. Last night, Andre Law and myself, we had us a good old last man standing match between him and myself.
Who won it?
I won. Me. The true law. The true law. True law. Technicality is he didn't answer the 10 count. And he lost. But aside from all of that, we were already contractually obligated to be here tonight. So, we had to be here. We signed papers, we had to be here. So, since this match is for the tag team titles, how about we put our differences aside and we wrestle for these titles? What do you say?
Y'all touch thighs or do it.
You know what? For a chance at gold, you got this one.
Nice. Let's go. We're together. Yes. All right. And yes, I know who Martin Jannetty is. I could come out there and throw you through a window just like Sean did Marty Jannetty. So how about you hush, sit down, enjoy the show.
Sit on your pancakes.
I like pancakes.
Come on now. One. Oh, we got
And their opponents, weighing in at a combined weight of 355 pounds, accompanied by the Anarchy Ash, Corvus, and the resurrected Ricky Rivera. They are the end of the world party!
Oh, it's that's weird. It's gonna be yellow.
Come on, kick some ass!
Calm down.
Intro.
No, never!
Hey,
Never!
calm down.
You just mind your business.
I am minding my I am. I'm the business.
I ain't gonna calm down.
This match is for the Heathenz Tag Team title.
How dare you?
I guess that's, yeah, that'll do.
Alright.
That means
The Heathenz rules match is no disqualifications, no holds barred, and ultimately a hardcore battle.
Anything goes. False count anywhere. You can go there. I want you hard if you ready.
Come on. Come on. Get it. There you go. Whoa.
Come on. Come on.
Go ahead and do that to you, Ricky. Now you're Ricky.
Where you go? I want to go.
Yes, you are
There's water up there.
there. Yes, Ricky.
I need some water. Where'd you go? There's water up. There's water up here. Give me that water. No. I'm getting that water.
Arya, move.
I'm gonna get that water. No. My water.
Give him that thing.
Give me that water. No. Yes. No.
Come on, Ricky.
My water. No.
Do some damage.
Oh.
Go ahead,
Huh?
What the hell? Smash him. Oh, go in, Corvus.
Come on, man.
Come on, Ricky. Wow.
Keep going. Don't let him rest. Get him.
Smash it.
You can't save me. You can't save me.
Good dancing. Come on, Ricky! More this! Move! Get up, Corbin! Come on, Ricky! Corbin!
Hit him with a chair. Make him bleed. Yeah, make him bleed, Ricky. Ricky, reach in, pull a screen out, and slap him in the face with it. That would be really cool. Use it! You hit him like he's Twinkle hit me. Hit him like he's taking a Twinkle from me, damn it. Hit him.
Don't let him do that shit to you!
Ricky, if you get up, your mom will make you a freshman pie.
It's your boy. It's your boy.
That's her boy. That's her boy. Oh, you're
Come on, take a picture with your boy. Take a picture with your boy. Shut your mouth.
Oh my gosh, she's I'll go to the back home and HW. Oh my God. Ricky, you better dig down deep. That man's trying to snatch your soul out of your body. Are you serious? Wait a minute. What's your name? Junior? Junior. Hit him with that damn chair. Come on, let's have a meeting. You get your big claws on it. Let's go. Are we being tough today? It's Sunday. I get it. Let's go. Let's be tough. Let's go, Rob. Hey, no rear. Now, Ricky, get up and hit that chair. Hey, hit him the way he was supposed to hit you. Let's go. Give it up. Bring it on. Let's go. Way to go. Behind you. Behind you. Behind you. Come on, both the chairs, come on, use
Oh man, we got fans back here.
Get an advantage. Not you, not you. Not you, nah.
Right.
Come on.